Hey, it's Grady at Twin Creek Audio, back in the studio today with this Hamer Sunburst Arch top electric guitar. A lot of the parts on this have been replaced. I'll go into the whole story of this guitar here in just a second. What I want to tell you about now though is Deep East Texas Radio in my hometown of Nacogdoches. It's a good friend of mine that started this online station this past summer during 2020 and all this craziness. And he's got a pretty good station, so I'll put a link to that in the description of this video, and I might talk about it a little bit more at the end of the video. And for now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. And like this video if you like guitar demos. I've done a ton of guitar demos on this channel. So let's move on, get some close-ups of the Hamer Sunburst Arch top, and then try it out. Let's take a closer look at these GFS pickups here in the guitar. And that's a Godot bridge that we put on there and a Godot tailpiece. And here's the neck pickup. Again, they're GFS Alnico II Professional series pickups. And it has flat black pickup rings, because this thing didn't have any of that stuff when we got it. It was just really a body and neck and some parts. Here's the headstock Sunburst Arch top by Hamer. It's a little bit dusty, sorry about that. It's been in a case. That nice rosewood fingerboard. It's a really good looking guitar and it plays really well too. The control cover is actually clear plastic, or I don't know what that is, plexiglass, Lexan, something like that. And you can see the braided wire inside there that came with the GFS wiring kit. And that's the original 1/4 inch output jack there. But it's got this cool clear control cavity cover. You can actually see the cool wiring. Here's a shot of the tuners. These are the original tuning machines that came on this guitar. This one was made in Korea. I don't have any idea what the date on this guitar is. I could probably date it by serial number, but I haven't done that as of yet. It's also got a really nice body and of course the clear plexiglass clear cover. Let's flip it around. You can see that nice cream color binding, which is really thick up there where the neck joins the body. It's a nice contoured flame maple cap on this guitar. That's not a veneer, that's a solid maple cap. And that really nice sunburst finish. So take a look at this. This is the custom speaker cabinet that my dad built. And that's the Sansui 15-inch speaker. Let's go in for a closer look at that now. Okay, I'm using the camera light so we can see inside this custom speaker cabinet and get a better look at this Sansui 15-inch woofer. It's a Sansui W-3000 woofer, 5 ohms, 40 watts, Japan. And look at the cone, what kind of material this is made out of. So I've got my trusty art stool. I've got the Sansui 15-inch speaker in this custom cabinet connected to the Hotone Nano Legacy Floor Britwind on the British Invasion channel with these settings. No boost, no reverb. And the mic preamp in this case is the Soundtrack's Topaz console mic preamp. really like this guitar. It's very playable. The frets are nice and wide and fairly low, even though they're not really worn out on this. It's got great playability, a good neck shape, stays in tune relatively well. The GFS Alnico II Professional series pickups in this sound really good, and I'm particularly impressed with the Sansui W-3000 speaker in this speaker cabinet that I tried. Who knew a home stereo 15-inch woofer would sound that good with a guitar amp? I mean, this rig sounds warm. It's got a lot of guts and a lot of nice heft. That's the word I'll use. It's got a heft to the sound that's really nice, especially with these pickups and the little Hotone amp. I mean, it sounds great. Very warm. You get more low end out of this than you would a 12-inch speaker or a 10-inch like the one I usually use. So I think I'm going to do more guitar demo videos with this cabinet and the Hotone amp. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Yeah, I really like this Hamer Sunburst Arch top guitar, and these GFS pickups, they're really not bad at all. Really great sounding. They sound like a vintage PAF, or close to it anyway, and for the money, these are great sounding pickups. You know, the wiring harness that I got from GFS to put in this guitar is also pretty nice quality. I think it's a great guitar. It sounds really good, so I hope you enjoyed getting to see this up close and hearing me play it a little bit. Oh yeah, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to plug my friend's online radio station, Deep East Texas Radio. It's out of my hometown of Nacogdoches, Texas. They play oldies and country during the day, and they have what they call a hodgepodge mixture of things in the evenings, and then indie and alternative at night. They also have the Texas Troubadour Thursdays at 6, and the Texas Country Music Countdown, which is on Fridays from 4 to 6. So don't forget to check out Deep East Texas Radio. The link is in the description of this video. And also check out the Twin Creek Audio Spreadshirt store, where you can get t-shirts, hats, tote bags, different stuff, and all of the music that you can stream or purchase for download in the links in the description that all help support this channel. I hope you all have an excellent day, night, evening, weekend, weekday, hour, minute, second, nanosecond, whatever it is you're having. Have a good one, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.